Can you drive after DUI before your court date in New Jersey? Getting charged with driving under the influence in New Jersey can be frightening and confusing. Because a DUI arrest often comes with several tickets and court paperwork, the timeline of what comes next can feel like an endless series of events. Many drivers are unsure of whether they can lawfully drive between the arrest and the hearing, and the stress of waiting for arraignment can be overwhelming. A seasoned New Jersey DUI lawyer can explain the process and help you protect your rights. New Jersey law treats DUI very seriously. After an arrest, police may issue multiple traffic citations, and these tickets usually include your court date. The arraignment is normally set a few weeks after the arrest and serves as the first appearance in front of a judge. At arraignment, the judge reviews the charges and explains your rights, and you enter a guilty or not guilty plea. Unlike some states, New Jersey does not provide for a jury trial in DUI cases. A judge hears the evidence, weighs the testimony and decides guilt or innocence. The prosecution must still prove guilt beyond a reasonable doubt, and your defense attorney can challenge the legality of the stop and the reliability of any tests. Drivers often want to know whether they can drive before their court date. The answer depends on the circumstances of the arrest and any court-ordered restrictions. In most cases, the DUI ticket will act as your temporary driving document until you appear before a judge. However, additional charges or prior offenses could prompt an immediate suspension, so consulting a lawyer right away is critical. New Jersey does not offer traditional hardship or restricted licenses once a suspension has been imposed, but programs like ignition interlock devices can allow limited driving privileges under certain conditions. Installing such a device often requires court approval, and failure to comply may result in additional penalties. A knowledgeable attorney can advise whether an interlock device is an option in your case. Several steps follow a DUI arrest. During arraignment, the judge not only reads the charges but may also inquire about your ability to hire counsel. If you cannot afford private representation, the court may appoint a public defender. After a plea of not guilty, your attorney may seek discovery, including video or audio recordings, breath test results and police reports, to evaluate possible defenses. Though New Jersey law lacks jury trials for DUI, your lawyer can file motions to suppress evidence or challenge the credibility of the arresting officer. Should the matter proceed to trial, the judge will hear evidence and render a verdict. If the judge acquits you, your driving privileges remain intact. If convicted, the judge can order fines, community service, license suspension and installation of an ignition interlock device. A DUI conviction can leave a permanent mark on your record and subject you to jail, expensive fines and license revocation. Throughout this process, the guidance of an experienced attorney is invaluable. Skilled legal counsel can review the facts, advise on whether you may continue driving before your court date and negotiate for reduced penalties. The article stresses that a DUI case can impact every aspect of your life, work, family and finances, and that early legal intervention can protect your rights. A dedicated DUI lawyer understands New Jersey's unique procedures and can help you navigate arraignment, discovery and trial. Failing to consult counsel could result in missed opportunities to challenge evidence or secure conditional driving privileges. The Kugel Law Firm focuses on defending those charged with DUI and DWI in New Jersey. Led by attorney Rachel Kugel, the firm emphasizes building solid defense strategies and helping clients seek the best possible outcome. For help with your case, contact the Kugel Law Firm at 973-854-0098. The office is located at 1 Gateway Center, Suite 2600, Newark, New Jersey, 07102. Speaking with a knowledgeable lawyer as soon as possible can make all the difference in preserving your driving privileges and future.